Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple and updated way to edit a group name on Messenger. Whether you want to give your chat a fresh new identity or just correct a typo, changing the group name is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside, find the group chat you want to rename and tap on it to open the conversation. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see the current group name or an info icon. This might look like an eye inside a circle. Tap on that. This will take you to the group's details page where you can see members, shared media, and other settings. Next, look for the group name itself. It should be displayed prominently near the top. Tap on the group name and you'll see an option to edit it. This is where you can type in the new name for your group. Type in the new name you want. Feel free to get creative or keep it straightforward, whatever suits your group's vibe. Once you've entered the new name, confirm the change by tapping Save or Done, depending on your device. And that's it. Your group chat now has a fresh new name that everyone will see. Keep in mind, changing the group name updates it for all members, so everyone will know right away. Editing your group name on Messenger is a great way to keep your conversations organized and fun. Whether it's a family chat, a work project, or a group of friends planning an event, a clear and catchy name helps everyone stay on the same page. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to update your Messenger group name with just a few taps. Happy chatting.